Arugula is a dull verdant green plentiful in nutrients and C and with cancer prevention agent and mitigating properties. It further develops eye well-being, controls glucose and forestalls cardiovascular illness. Did you know? In addition, arugula also contains minerals, such as potassium and calcium, which are necessary for the regulation of blood pressure, as well as phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin K, essential for bone health. Isn't it amazing? This leafy vegetable is an excellent option for enriching your diet with vitamins and minerals, and it is also high in fiber and low in calories. You can add it to your weight loss diet and eat it raw or stir-fry in salads or other dishes. Let's see the benefits of eating arugula. Helps to strengthen the immune system. Eating arugula strengthens the immune system, thanks to its vitamin C content. Strong immunity increases our body's defenses, protecting us against a series of diseases and infections. Improves vision and skin health. Since arugula is rich in vitamins A, C and K, it helps improve eye health and cell reproduction. Vitamin C can even help prevent cataracts. Did you know? In addition, it stimulates the release of melanin, protects against UV rays and slows down the aging process. Prevents osteoporosis. The vitamin K present in arugula also contributes to bone health, preventing wear and fractures by increasing calcium absorption. When the body does not have enough levels of this vitamin, the calcium ends up being eliminated through urine. Do you like the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel via the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of new videos. Lowers glucose levels. Another benefit of arugula is associated with diabetes treatment. Because it is rich in antioxidants, substances that act in the control of free radicals in the body, it helps lower glucose levels and increases insulin sensitivity. Helps with digestion. Regulated digestion is another advantage of rocket. It contains sulforaphane, a sulfur compound that reduces stomach acid, a common problem for those who suffer from chronic indigestion and other gastrointestinal problems. Improves brain function. Brain function is improved because the vitamin K helps to strengthen our cognitive activities. With this we can avoid degenerative brain diseases like Alzheimer's and other types dementia, improve concentration and keep the mind always sharp and active. Reduces the risk of cancer. One of the main benefits of arugula is the reduction in the risk of cancer. Cruciferous vegetables, such as arugula, broccoli and collard greens, may reduce the risk of develop cancer, especially lung and cervical cancer. The best way to eat arugula is raw, in salads tossed with lime, olive oil, salt, garlic, onion and even chives and parsley. You can watch this video here to learn how to keep your leafy greens always fresh in your fridge. In addition, arugula goes very well with pizzas, hamburgers, risottos, soups, pâtés and even the juices. Another idea is to use arugula in pasta sauces, perhaps replacing basil in a pesto. When buying arugula, always choose the greenest, firmest leaves. Avoid cooking arugula too long, as some vitamins and minerals are lost during cooking, such as vitamin C for example.